I got Hank with me on this journey. We're checking out a really incredible waterfall that I've heard some really good reviews on. Walking through a green tunnel here in the rhododendrons. Having a duck every 2 feet or so. All right, let Hank go ahead a little bit. Just show you the forest road we're walking now. Pretty wide. We're making better progress than the narrow single track that we started on. This trail's not real long. It is pretty remote though. It's not an established trail, so you got to follow the pink ribbons. Definitely follow some GPS, because you can make a wrong turn. There's a lot of intersections, but this waterfall is supposed to be really worth it for the long drive. I thought I'd let you guys in on another thing I'm dealing with for the past 2 months. I've been dealing with some pain in my left foot, and I've not been diagnosed, but it seems like it's the classic symptoms of plantar fasciitis, because I was doing a lot of trail running ever since last year, and all the hiking, and of course work, pulling pallets weigh up to 1,000 pounds. I think I got some wear and tear going on there. Got an appointment to see a doctor on the 20th, so we'll see about it, but it's definitely going to affect future hiking plans. Might have to be content to do shorter trails, but I'm definitely going to be getting out a lot because this is my favorite season, and I'm going to be taking vacation in August, so I might have to amend my plans for that as well, because I had 2 options I was going to do. Either stay local, do a long trail, or go out west and do something out there, including a long trail out there, but we'll see how it goes, because I don't know how this is going to affect my future plans. All right, make a right turn right here off the forest road. Get down to Flat Creek Falls. Shortcut was a no-go. Too steep. But this should be much better. So far it just looks like it's got switchbacks. So I'll take that over that steep path that was all muddy and treacherous. All right, it is overgrown already, and it's early May. I'd hate to see it in the middle of summer. And it's getting humid too. It's supposed to be 3/10 of a mile down to the falls from this point. All right, gotta ford the creek again. Watch out for slippery rocks. It's beautiful out here. It's really a primitive setting compared to an established trail. What am I getting myself into over here? It looks pretty closed in. That opens up. All right. False trail leading up to the left. Got to cross the creek again to get back on the established path. And I can see it now in the distance. It looks remarkable. I'm excited. There's a trail. Should be there shortly. This is one of the most amazing waterfalls I've seen. I know I say that a lot, but this thing is really gorgeous. Making a shortcut here. I would not recommend doing this, but I'm doing it to cut the time because once I parted from Hank, it took me a little longer to get down to the waterfall than I thought it would. So I'm going down the side path that I was originally going to take. Wouldn't recommend it for anybody, especially when you're alone like I am. But I thought I'd show you this cool little streamside waterfall.